Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. So, as always, if you're watching in replay, you can fast forward 5 minutes or stay with us through our hellos and also enjoy the setting of the first full moon of this year. Good morning, Michael. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Mary. Guys, how is the sound today? Good morning, Cindy. Great, Mary. Thank you for letting me know. Good morning, Mary. Good morning, Mariella. All right, it is time for us to start, and today we're going to repeat the pulse or heartbeat practice as last time we did it on Saturday, the rain that started messed everything up and you couldn't hear half of it. So let's do it today. Good morning, Leo. He says, please keep Yanni in mind. She has COVID. She has COVID booster shot side effects. Okay, of course, yes. So let's send Yanni some love with this practice today. Side effects are no fun side effects of vaccines. Anyway, one of the best ways to increase body awareness is to focus on something with more and more subtlety. So today we will explore focusing on our heartbeat, on our pulse. It is an excellent mindfulness tool, as just like our breath, our pulse is always with us for as long as we live. And we can explore the pulse throughout the whole body, which can help us get deeper into sensing the body from within. So let's explore this together. As always, take a comfortable position and take in all the circumstances of your practice, both external and internal. And remember to notice them not as an outside observer, but rather as an active participant in this experience, as a body breathing and sensing itself. Allow your breath to be uncontrolled. So just notice how the breath flows through the body. Again, notice it as a body breathing itself. Now feel your pulse where it is most obvious for you. And for most of us, it is in the heart. So bring your hands to your heart center and listen in. However, don't worry if you cannot sense your heartbeat this way. This happens, and there is absolutely nothing wrong with it. In this case, try sensing your pulse in your wrist or in your belly. Again, wherever it is most obvious for you. Bring your hands to your heart or to the area where you feel your pulse, your heartbeat in the most obvious way. Now move your hands to your belly. Can you feel your pulse, your heartbeat in your belly? Tune in and listen deeply to this rhythm of life itself in your body. Don't get frustrated if you cannot feel your pulse. Keep listening in, keep getting quieter and quieter, and at some point you will notice it. Now see if you can sense your pulse in your wrist. Try the right wrist first and then the left one. Is there any difference between them? Now put your fingers or your hands on your face. Do you feel your pulse in your face, however subtle it may be? And now try sensing your pulse from within the body without using your hands. Is it more challenging or less challenging? Explore. Can you still feel your heartbeat in all the areas that we just explored together, but now without using your hands? As you do this, allow your breath to be soft, easy, and quieter with each moment. However, don't force it to be this way. See if you can simply allow it to get quieter. Now slowly scan your body from top to bottom, making your pulse, your heartbeat, the focus of your practice. And as you do this, explore these questions that I'm going to pose. And remember that this is not a theoretical exercise, but an exploration of your direct experience as a body, sensing itself. Which areas of my body do I feel the pulse easily in? Where in my body do I feel the pulse easily? Which areas are more challenging to feel my pulse? Which areas are more challenging to feel my pulse? Where can I not feel the pulse at all? Where can I not feel the pulse at all? Can I pinpoint the moment when it feels like my pulse is disappearing completely? Now I hear it, now I don't. Can I pinpoint the moment when it feels like my pulse is disappearing? Now I hear it, now I don't. How would it feel if this was my very first heartbeat? How would it feel if this was my very first heartbeat? How would it feel if this was my very last heartbeat? How would it feel if this was my very last heartbeat? As you go through your day today, I invite you to take little pauses here and there and listen deeply to your heartbeat, to your pulse, to the life itself in your body. And maybe you combine it with a body scan like we just did, or focus on just one area. Allow yourself to get very quiet and continue the visceral contemplation we started today. Enjoy your exploration. Thank you so much for being here. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.